Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the image so you can undo scribbles precisely. Make a backup copy. Once done, open the screenshot in an editor that supports layers and non-destructive tools. You want 100% magnification and high contrast to see ink edges clearly. Next, create a duplicate layer of the image and hide the original. This preserves pixels while you work. Make sure to enable a good brushing tool and set hardness low. This lets you paint back without harsh borders. You now remove the scribble using reconstruction tools. Start with the healing brush or clone stamp. Sample clean nearby pixels often and work in small sections for control. Once done with larger shapes, switch to a softer, smaller brush to blend edges and recreate fine details. Make sure to toggle layer opacity and use short strokes. This prevents repeated patterning and visible repeats. If color shifts occur, add a curves or color balance adjustment layer and nudge tones until they match surrounding areas. You finish by refining and exporting the recovered screenshot. Zoom out and compare against the hidden original to spot inconsistencies, then use a soft dodge and burn or a subtle noise layer to unify texture. Once satisfied, export as PNG or the original format and save a layered source file for future fixes. If artifacts or repeating patterns remain, try frequency separation or redo targeted retouching at higher magnification. Alternatively, undo to the duplicate layer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.